Hello everyone and welcome to lesson number 1. And this is the first really short lesson introductory video for our course during this semester. To access lesson number 1, just click on lesson 1 and you will see a variety of items contained within this section. Of course, the lesson objectives. You will also see lesson 1 notes and assignments. So this link includes various types of lesson notes that I thought you would be interested in, definitions and outlines and so forth, and the actual assignments for the week. So let's click on that particular item. Of course, this loads a Google document, and you can always download this or print this off via the File menu. Let's take a really quick look. So we have a really short introduction for this section, plus we have a variety of YouTube links and videos that I really want folks to watch. There's some information I include about drug testing in the human services field. I've been involved in drug testing efforts for the good and the bad for many, many years as a prevention provider, treatment provider, and in all points in between. In the school setting, in the court setting, in the private clinical setting, and so forth. I've included some information, some more research-based information about drug testing as well, and a sample report that you can take a look at. I've included information about from Hazelden, which is one of your primary research institutes and premier treatment facilities and processes in the United States. We begin to introduce the concepts of NA meetings, AA meetings. We have additional videos to watch about codependency and Al-Anon, as well as some really good examples of common prevention ads that you may have seen on TV in the past or might make note of in the future. And those are from the titled Fatherhood or from the Ad Council. And there's a couple of prevention messages that I created with a federal grant many, many years ago called Russian Roulette in 012 bunch. A couple of introduction sections, discussions about prevention efforts at large. We visit AA again and some of the materials provided. We will reach the things to do for the lesson. Or these are your assignments, so make sure to visit the indicated links. Anytime you see a blue collection of words that's underlined, that's a link. We will be reading chapter 1, 2, 3, and 16 in this particular session. Ignore that little notification. This document also includes the summary material and the rubric that you will need for your first lesson paper. You will be uploading your paper via the Blackboard link. Of course, we have discussion boards on prevention and if addiction is a disease or not. Plus, you will have 4 quizzes. Quizzes on chapter 1, 2, 3, and 16. These quizzes are open book and don't have a time limit, but they may only be taken one time. Let's jump back to Blackboard, and this is where you will upload your legalization summary, access our discussion boards here, and your quizzes. Our lessons for the entire semester will follow this this plan of sorts, this process. So if you're asking what will each lesson be like, well, lesson 1 is a really good example of what the lessons are. Hope this gets you started, and please let me know if you have any other questions. Thanks.